Wagwan. Hello. Hello. Anyways, good morning team. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. We're here again at Swamp Safari. Janelle's mother's birthday is in the next week or so, and we decided to come to Swamp Safari for like early celebration of her birthday because unfortunately Janelle not gonna be here on her birthday itself. So we're celebrating early. So we come down at Swamp Safari, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna have a clue why this place empty. Like over there nice. I've been here before if you know watch one of my previous vlogs about a year ago or so. Hopefully they have like some new animals or we can, you know, interact with or whatever. But so far so good. Say hello. 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 Let's get it, team Ismash. Grant.
You ready to go? Yeah.
Let's get it. This is gonna be. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be awesome, man. So what should I do? This flies on me.
You won't. Alright, so this is the birds aviary. This is where we have most of the birds.
Okay.
So if you look over here, we have the peacock, and they're the national birds of India. So the males, they'll pull their feather out to impress the females during mating season. And that's how it is in the animal kingdom. The males are prettier than the females, but only in the animal kingdom, right?
Oh, where are you so
Wait, not yet.
Open.
Oh, don't pick me.
It's
Okay.
Really? Alright, come feed this one.
I'm sorry.
This one won't come on. It's okay.
Really? I'm afraid I don't. I'm sorry.
Oh!
See? Scary.
Ooh! Hey!
You're not even feeling now. You ready to hold it?
Alright, that's enough. That's enough. Alright, we can put back.
Oh! That's Sean.
Eat that one.
Now tell me not, you know.
Eat that.
You light?
Now tell me not.
Light.
You can fly off, no?
Close your hand and then I do this.
Close it?
Yeah.
The peacock are coming away.
Alright, so if you notice this one, it looks like it doesn't really have any feathers to the back. After mating season, they shed the feathers and it grows back taller.
Oh.
Yeah, but we don't do anything with the feathers though. Some people say it's bad luck to have them in your house. Just keep them around.
Okay.
So once you're inside here,
So this is a female one?
yes, the
Oh.
brown one. In Jamaica, so if anyone is caught shooting the
call again?
ringtail, the ringtail,
Thank you.
they'll be charged 100,000 Jamaican and a couple months in prison.
Wow.
So the population of the ringtail was thought to be extinct, so they had to protect it.
Ringtail.
So if you notice, it's all meshed up top, so the birds are not allowed to fly out and fly.
Okay. Ringtail. Them kind of look like pigeon, just regular pigeon. The ringtail is a type of pigeon.
Yeah, this one is. So the purple one, yeah, they're called mountain witch. You only find
Mountain
them
witch.
here in Jamaica, yes. And they're
And
protected.
the voodoo.
You won't find them eating from your hands because they're not so tame.
Oh, that alright.
And then here we have the guinea pig, that weird looking chicken. This one is called the guinea pig, but some white people mistake it for a turkey.
Oh.
So we have been saying about the guinea pig, that if you have them in your backyard, they'll
Yeah,
prevent
because they're
evil.
in Jamaica, right?
Yeah,
Because I
mostly
know I
like
see one.
countryside.
I see one in the grill before.
Yeah, they call nigger country.
No, I see when I drive.
Alright, so
Hmm.
yes. Gonna close on them. It's the same thing over here, but whenever they're hungry, they'll come out and they'll eat their food. Like I was saying earlier, they're nocturnal, so you won't find them active.
Okay.
Alright, if you look up top inside here, you see some green parts. You'll find them only in Jamaica. They're called the yellow bill and the black bill, and some parakeet. So they're protected and they're also known to talk. But in order for them to talk, we normally put them in an enclosure by themselves, and we say a couple words and they'll repeat it.
Okay.
We also give them marijuana and hot peppers. They talk quickly.
So they're probably high right now.
But marijuana won't get them high. It's just like a normal food, so they won't tumble over or anything. Yes, this is it. So you find them in tall trees in Jamaica where they have their nest, and yellow snakes. Now these are our snakes. You only find them here in Jamaica, and they're protected and they're non-poisonous. So if by any chance you get bitten by one of these snakes, you know you won't get poisoned. So they're good constrictors. They will squeeze, and their digestive system is very slow. We feed them every 2 weeks, chickens and mice.
Peep.
So anyone who like to hold one? Nope.
Yes.
Alright, 1 second, just stay here. I'm coming.
Alright. Yeah.
Very fast and no one likes them.
The gala was.
Yes. Feed them
I'm
on
biting you. I'm reaching that water before you're going to die.
Hey, come here. Come here.
Hey.
Come here, bro. Come. Look at him to go to
Hey, boy. Hey.
Billy, come put it here. Come on, bite off for me.
That messing.
Me no wanna bite from
You're not
him.
good at it.
What's the bite?
Come put him. No, indeed the right eye. Something here, so.
Billy. Billy.
You just love
Billy, go see your video.
What is she bite you?
That messing.
This can't bite you.
That messing.
You can't bite you, so my baby this one.
No, me rather
You
only
can't bite you.
That
Baby
messing.
this.
Baby.
Me rather only big one. Me no want one.
Holy man, man.
Baby this man, this can't bite you.
Alright, Billy.
Cannot bite you if you do nothing. This is baby.
Alright, Billy.
Right now look for.
You're not strong enough.
Hey, me on go try, man. You don't have to hold him. If you hold, you just put him by your hands.
Wait, no.
Just put him over your hand. Man. Hold out your hand and put him over.
They say he can't bite. Me can't
No,
sue you.
no, he can't bite you. He can't bite you. He can't bite you.
Alright. Thanks.
Let me try about him.
Come over here.
He went he go on now. Can I come in? This is so spooky.
Look closer to the back, you'll see a male.
Turtle.
And then up top in the tree, we have the female. But you have to look closer to see her because she's green, just like leaves.
She's camouflaged. Tell me if you see her before I'm showing her.
So iguanas are protected in Jamaica because
Tell
the
me, see her?
mongoose used to eat
Right
them.
here.
So the population has started to be extinct. Anything?
Yes.
Right here.
The females, they'll change their color. The males as a permanent color. And they can fall from 50 feet without getting hurt. And if you break the tail of the iguana, it grows back continually.
Oh. I have a small Asian thing called a mango sting and just run down under that. Oh, seen that? Seen that? It's hard to see what
Over
see.
here we have the small Asian Indian mongoose.
Asian Indian
Indians
mangoes.
brought them to
Oh,
Jamaica.
see this
We
one.
have the rats and snakes in the cane field. But they
Yes.
started to eat the Jamaican pony and the iguanas. Theresich not any known animal to kill the mongoose. In Jamaica, they are normally killed by these
We're only animal will kill them. You know, like them too. Oh, the big boys. The big boys. The big boys. Okay, big boys. Take
Here
it
we have
easy.
the crocodiles.
Jeez, look at them gigantic.
Monster, mommy.
So these are all crocs. We have no alligators here, and we normally tell the difference between a crocodile and the alligator by the shape of their snout, which is the mouth. Crocs, they have V-shaped snout. Alligators have a rounder snout. Crocodiles are used for speed. Alligators are used for strength.
Completely harmless. Bad boys, man. They're just hungry, fam.
So the crocodiles, they can only eat their food from sideways because their snout is way too
Look,
pointed.
when you come closer,
They can
come.
only see from sideways. They can't see all the way around.
Okay.
Yes. So these are all girls.
Yeah.
There's only
see the big
one
one?
male,
Yeah.
and guess who it is?
The big one.
Oh, keep saying full of bitch.
Yes, all these girls to
Hey,
himself.
hey, it's RG. All good. Ready again? Ready again?
You're holding man now.
Yeah. Shannon, please.
That's Sean Grant.
Oh, I want him like, come here, hold him like this.
That's soft.
I'm pregnant, man.
Look at the face.
Just relax yourself. Can you start relax yourself and look over there?
Hey.
So,
You're so cool.
right, come people.
Alright, relax man. He man do nothing like that. He man do nothing like that, man. You have to keep yourself relaxed, man. You have to relax yourself.
Jenna, your turn.
What?
Relax.
Your turn. What's the
You
point?
want to relax like this, you have to relax.
Come now.
Okay.
Shall we try? We'll go slow with her.
Yeah, man, you know the angle.
Alright, cool man, cool man.
Sir, more wrap up around me.
Then you know wrap up on me, man. Just ease your feet yourself, so now. Alright, come now.
Jenna, just in your hand.
Let's try it.
Alright,
Slow.
Come, let me tell you what I'm
At least do-
Come beside me, I'll hold it head for you. Yes. Make you encounter this deal. Just stay where you are now.
You have to just.
Just hold him head.
Yeah.
Me do. You have the tail around you. I'll hold it head for you.
Yeah, put him on my neck. I don't want him on my neck.
Where you want him? In your hand? Alright.
Yeah. No, in not. You see that? Let's breathe in and out. In your exhale.
I feel creepy.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah,
Good job.
Then leave in the next lifetime.
Oh.
Alright, so me just make sure you don't
But that's the same thing. That's the same thing.
You are smelling your friend. No, man, not smell not depend on a snake. No, sir. Not smell.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, today.
Yeah.
Not smell.
Go.
I think it's our
Sorry.
one.
Tease him.
Why are you teasing him for? Miss Honey.
Eat up, boy. Eat up some of that good greens, boy. Good for the blood.
In love with crocodile.
Yeah.
Good greens, boy. Hold off the clothes in there.
Alright, so over here we have a common agouti. This one
Gucci.
here is just agouti. It's just like a
I think
rat.
it's a Gucci.
It's related to the guinea pig.
They eat this as well.
So you're from Trinidad?
Yeah.
Okay.
Treat me,
Alright,
boy.
so,
It's pretty expensive as well.
so people normally eat them. Some Americans and they said their meat is very expensive. Boars were brought here in the 1800s by the Spaniards. They used to hunt them and kill them in their spare time. And the boars, they are cannibals. So if they get hungry, they'll eat each other. If you notice that big one, it has two white things to the side of his mouth. It's called a tusk. And it can go to about 6 centimeters. And that's what they use to defend themselves. They're also nocturnal, and people normally say they're nasty when they go in the mud. But they have no sweat glands, so that's how they cool down. And she said that the wild boar meat is much nicer than the pig.
True.
Ducks, the white ones, they're called the Chinese geese. The one with the bump on the forehead, that's the male, and the pretty one is the female. And these brown ones, they're called the whistling duck. You only find them here in Jamaica, and they're protected. Hey. So they'll use their tail to leap. But it all depends on the size of the crocodile. Yeah. So that's how crocodiles will leap. But it all depends on the size of the crocodile and how deep the water is. So if the crocodile is skinny like me, they jump much further. And just like humans, crocodiles, they all have a soft spot. So whenever you pat them on the nose or to the neck, they'll back off or they'll attack. Alright, so here we have Sophie's boyfriend.
Like meeting people.
Come this way. Alright, so the deers were brought here in 1980. The Canadian got for them here. But in 1988, we had Hurricane Gilbert destroyed our houses, so the deer's enclosure was destroyed. So they all went to the bushes and reproduced. So now we have a lot of deers in Jamaica, mostly at St. Thomas, St. Mary in Portland. And they're also at Blue Mountain feeding on their coffee. People don't like that, so they tend to kill them and dirt them. So they have dirt deer.
Like wild?
Yeah, in Portland. Yeah,
I know, I saw a picture of a certificate.
the one up top, we got her from Portland. Yeah.
Hey there, Troublemaker.
Where did he go? Where did he go?
Oh, him have to make a run.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's that?
What's that?
Monkey.
You want to? You don't want to stay in one place.
So Pepe bangs his dish to get people attention, and sometimes he jerks off at girls that play with him too. Who jerks him? What? Very smart.
It's a nasty boy.
In several countries like India, they train them to steal purse because they're very smart. 3 years because of the much bigger animals that will kill them. And they're also feeding on food that they're not supposed to eat. Like being in the garbage is not healthy, so they die quickly.
Where do you come from?
North America, they're mostly in America. So these are albinos. If you see them on the TV or you're traveling, you notice they're normal. Yeah. And if you see them, that means
When you take the lips touch mine,
Yeah,
let's explore our love. We'll leave the world behind. Can you feel me, baby? Ooh, yeah, yeah.
Guys, Jenna was vlogging for me while I was gone. I had to make a quick run, and now she's at a spot. No, not the spot, the nail tip. Final whatever. Camera just dropped. First time it dropped. No, second time it dropped. One time it dropped off 5 yards up. You put it on the tripod and it top low. But the mother enjoyed it.
Yeah.
She looks
She's excited. She does something else and thank you.
okay, as I was saying, guys, for the last part of the vlog, where music, more than likely, I go throw some music over that. Where music was playing, Jenna was manangling the camera. I had to run, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here right now. So, thanks for watching this vlog, team. Thanks for watching this vlog, team. Ismash. stay tuned for my next vlog. If you haven't as yet subscribed, please to subscribe to my channel. I have more content like these coming when Dash and Guide should be on the explorations all over Jamaica. Promising. Team Ismash, subscribe. Team Ismash. Thanks for watching my vlog. I'm out.